Hello. I've got a mystery object for you to lip read in my box here. I'm going to turn off my voice and I'll read straight through. But try not to panic. What you need to do is to try and just get the gist of what I'm saying. Remember, not all lip shapes are visible. They're not all easy. So I will read straight through and then we'll go through each sentence one at a time. So there are 8 sentences. Are you ready? Have you guessed what it is? Let's go through each sentence. This is a vegetable. You wouldn't really eat it on its own. It's used to flavour your food. Its colour is white. Some people don't like the smell. Some people don't like the taste. I like to use it when I'm cooking. It's supposed to be very good for you. Have you guessed what it is now? It's garlic, of course. And remember, with the g sounds with garlic, that's quite a tricky lip shape. It's not very visible. It's made at the back of the mouth when the tongue goes up at the back, so quite tricky. How did you get on with that? That's it for now. See you soon. Bye.